Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factors. A factor is a whole number that divides evenly into another whole number. In other words, there is no remainder. Now let's look at some typical questions on this topic. Question 1. Write down all the factors of 8. The solution? The factors of 8 are all the numbers that divide evenly into 8. They are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So there are 4 of them altogether. Question 2. Write down all the factors of 12. The solution, once again, the factors of 12 are all the numbers that divide evenly into 12. The reason I'm putting that here is so the students can actually understand what the word factor means. So the more the students hear it, the more they'll remember it, and they'll understand the actual meaning of the word factor. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And there are 6 factors altogether. Question 3. Write down all the factors of 24. The solution? The factors of 24 are all the numbers that divide evenly into 24. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in those first 3 questions, I wonder if the students will notice that there's something very interesting happening. For the factors of 8, we have 1 and 8 are 2 of the factors. For the factors of 12, we have 1 and 12 are 2 of the factors. For the factors of 24, we have 1 and 24 are 2 of the factors. So that's very, very interesting, and it's very important to remember that. Question 4. List the factors of 40 that are greater than 5 and less than 30. The solution. The factors of 40 that are greater than 5 and less than 30 are 8, that's the first number after 5 that divides into 40 evenly, 10 and 20. So we can only have those 3 because the answers have to be greater than 5 and less than 30. Question 5. Multiply the first 4 factors of 60 together and write down the answer. The first 4 factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when we multiply them together, we get 24. Question 6. What is the 5th factor of 36? So let's write down all the factors of 36. We have these ones here. Let's see how many of them there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice again, we have 36 and 2 of the factors are 1 and 36. We saw that earlier. So the 5th factor of 36 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5th one. Question 7. What 2 whole numbers are always factors of any given whole number where the given whole number is not 1? Now I've just highlighted that on about 3 or 4 occasions, and the solution is 1 is a factor and the given whole number itself. So for example, for 36, 1 and the given whole number itself. Very, very important to remember that. Question 8. Is 3 a factor of 17? For the solution, we have to divide 3 into 17 and see what happens. Now, if students know their tables very well, 3 divided into 17 goes 5 times because 3 5s are 15. There's a remainder of 2. We can then say that 3 is not a factor of 17 because there is a remainder. Remember, if a number is a factor of another number, that means there's no remainder when the smaller number is divided into the larger one. Question 9, is 4 a factor of 8,420? If we divide 4 into 8,420, we get 2,105. There's no remainder. 4 is a factor of 8,420 because there is no remainder. Question 10. Multiply the 4th factor of 20 by the 6th factor of 40. So the factors of 20 are those numbers there. The factors of 40 are those numbers there. The 4th factor of 20 is 5. The 6th factor of 40 is 10. So 5 times 10 equals 50. So this video has given us a good introduction into the idea of factors, and we've seen a multitude of examples which help with understanding.